On your camera, you gotta say, what did you have Instagram for? Stop, don't record on Instagram. Regular record it. You can't. You regular record. You can see the timing, man. Camera, man. Camera. You okay? Your phone do it? You okay? Nah, because you like really your mind. I don't know. You get your ears.
I still don't remember what the fuck I said.
No, you said, hey man.
Why you calling me?
Why you calling me?
Nah, bitch, why you calling me?
Yeah, bitch, why you calling me?
Yeah,
I'm like, nigga, I ain't call you. You like, man, check your phone. Like, nigga, I know I ain't call you. Now look. Like, look, I ain't call you. Yeah, I know. Call me some shit about
Yeah,
this
bitch,
Tyrone.
act like you called
Yeah,
me.
act like, yeah. That's what you said. Act like you calling me.
What?
Dumbass thing. Hey, stupid. What you call me? Man, you know who you look like. Jicky James. Bitch, that you look like Jicky James. You know, hey, Jicky James.
Hey, look.
You feel me?
Hey, look. We gonna get this motherfucking show popping tonight. Look. Hey, look. We supposed to have this motherfucker popping tonight. Yeah, look. It's supposed to be 400 motherfuckers in here tonight. You hear me? All we got to do.
How the fuck you gonna have 400 and your capacity is only for 16 people?
It don't matter. Look. We gonna call these.
What you just say, just like things, sometimes you just don't.
We gonna tell these motherfuckers in here.
It don't make
tonight.
sense,
Look.
God.
All we got to do is sell one ticket 2 times.
1 ticket 2 times.
15 times.
You gonna do this shit double.
And look, when they come in, look, we're gonna tell them to go to the back.
But see, that's
And
what
we're
I'm
gonna
saying.
get their tickets and we're gonna resell them bitches.
Now think about what you saying again. That you go again, don't think that's the dumb shit. Nigga, you know I just did motherfucking 13 motherfucking years, and you know I got motherfucking 7 years paper still, and I'm just trying to smoke some weed and stay in peace. But you wanna go back, because I'm your nigga.
Phone ring.
Fuck is wrong with you?
105. Did you see this box right here? I put this box right here so we can get all this electricity popping around this motherfucker. You feel me? So therefore, look, we gonna power every ticket that come in this bitch.
Here you go, once again, that dumb shit you talking about. You gonna be out 1,000 drunk motherfuckers with walking around, nigga bumping to shit. Bitch, you ain't got insurance. You ain't thinking again. Dead man down.
So we gonna leave them in the back while we go have fun in the front. And we gonna send one nigga out here to get them some drinks. You feel me? And they gonna stay out here.
They don't need no more drink.
Don't even worry about it. That ain't your business. We gonna sell them something at this bottle that we got right here. Look, we gonna put some air sack in this bitch. We gonna refill this bitch. Air sack. Look, this bitch was 40.
Yeah,
Air sack. No, we gonna do my AJ. They gonna be doing too much shit.
You said you might get some coochie off that.
Now, I'm gonna say this one thing.
And Jay, you got some coochie.
You own something, though. You own something. You own something. You know why I know you own something? Bitch, you in Chicago, girl. Not this shit, man. Play with these drug guys you want to. That you know their tolerance is high. And you cutting these people shit, and they gonna cut your ass, nigga. That go to the party.
That's why we give them glass blocks. That's why we give them glass blocks.
What they gonna do?
You a lazy motherfucker.
What they gonna do? Snow off that motherfucker?
Come on, that don't matter. Look, hey, look. It's clear on this side, but it's white over there. Yeah.
What they gonna do? Get
You
high
know
off that
something
side?
now.
How you do it?
You understand that? Now how you do it?
How you want to do it?
Hey, the cameraman looking good over there.
How you want to do it?
That's that Jicky James shit again.
Yeah.
I need that camera stabilized. I can't be. And y'all making me shake.
Hey, I do got something to tell y'all. Hey, look, no, some real shit. Hey, no, this shit crazy, though, right? I'll never forget this shit, though, right?
Cheers.
One motherfucker day, right? You know.
You sure too? Ain't nobody got no more cups.
Hey, no, some real shit. One day I was on a block pumping, right? I was on the road, right?
In court.
It's pumping, right? Motherfucker slam, cuz. Caught that morning rush on some skinny shit. Get out there, shit. Oh, jam. Little bitch pull up, about 12. Bitch on a lunch break, right? So, I'm slide up. She like, what's up, y'all? Y'all got those little dragon bags out here? Like, yeah. So, boom, I slide up on shore. I get up to the car. I'm like, damn. You know, shawty all like with it everywhere. I'm like, she like, boy, bag, get up on my car. I don't know you like that. I'm like, shit, I know you like that. You advertise shit. You asking for my shit. She's like, you a fool out there. I'm like, nah, fuck all that. What you on? What you doing? She's like, nothing. I'm like, man, look, take a shovel and dig this. She said, oh, you're a slicker talker. I was like, calm down. listen, what I'm trying to tell you. I said, what? I said, keep your money, and I'm going to light the 2 bags up with you, because it look like you going through something. I'm like, She said, you know what? You're a little smooth. I said, what you talking about? I'm smooth enough in that seat. I said, come on.
So you hit
No, wait, let me finish. No, hell yeah. So she ride with me. We chilling and shit. You know, all the little small talk, right? We get to the crib. Man, you know what I'm saying? She take me out this planes. I'm like, oh, all right, cool.
This plane?
Man, this plane.
Where the
Nice
white
Playing with
plane.
white people?
Ain't no question. Motherfucker in it. You know what I'm saying? Chilling. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yeah. So, bam, shorty, you know what I'm saying? She got something. She got a little bar set up at the crib and shit. You know? I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm like, man, give me some of that little Ciroc up there, man. She like, all right, cool.
Should have went no gin.
No, she asked me what I want. You know what I'm saying? So I want this Ciroc. She hooked me up a nice little shot, rolling up the little weed and shit. She like, you know, I'm gonna shower up and shit. So motherfucker already, what? Nigga in it already. I'm like, crib, nice feet off. I'm like, on my shower already. Like, bam, okay. So motherfucker chilling this shit. She come out, she like, music is something with the remote. So I'm going, you know, rush my hand. All right, cool. You know, I don't watch TV. Playing the music shit. Actually, you know, motherfucking donut. Boom, boom. I'm like, thinking like, I'm like, chill. Don't hit it. Boom, boom, boom. So wait, I tell the girl, right? I'm like, you know, I'm like, man, listen, no. I'm telling you, I walk to the motherfucking room and all some real shit. I'm trying to tell y'all. I walk to the motherfucking room, like, no bullshit. Like, honest truth, for real. I walk to the room, open the door. She's like, oh my God, she's like, boy, what's up? I mean, somebody beating on your motherfucking door, man. She's like, ain't nobody beating on my door, shit. I'm like, come in. I'm like, shit. So she's like, turn it down. Turn it down. Boom, 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 another knock, right? So I said, hold on.
So what y'all playing? What type of music y'all playing?
Nah, you know, I'm in now just man,
Music,
smooth,
mood.
yeah, just you know, chilling like shit. I'm
Like
playing for
Al Brown,
the time
Tim
out,
Penny,
cause I don't want to like make him think I'm on some Christian album. So I'm just, you know, I'm playing some crunk. You know what I'm saying? I'm playing Lil Jon. You know, I never get this shit. They don't fucking question. No, cause this shit's some real shit, right? So bam and shit. She get down, she'll be on. She's like, the police. I'm like, the fuck? You know what I'm saying? I'm wild. You know, I'm around motherfucker, I snort me motherfucker like Tony Montana. You know what I'm saying? I'm going crazy, but so now I'm like,
So you and that bitch doing line smoke, weed,
no.
and drinking with this bitch?
Bitch, you missed the point. I said I'm moving around like I'm Tony Montana. I'm paranoid. Dumbass
Hey, I just see
police in this
do
bitch.
that
I'm
now.
like, what the fuck is going on, bitch?
Hey, man, I
So
don't know,
now
you
she
gotta
open
be
the door and
clear.
shit. So you know what I'm saying? She like, police like, hey ma'am, you know it don't disturb you when you're next to me. She like, oh, okay, no problem. I'm like, man, you know, so like everything's all right. Man, I know, man, like, you know, on the love for this bitch, like, blur out. He killed my husband.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck? Like, what? I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, they're like, hey, you, come here. I'm like, man, I don't know what the fuck she's talking about. She's like, man, hey, put your hands down. Motherfucker reach. I'm like, man, look, man, I don't know what the fuck she's talking about. He killed my husband. He in the closet. I'm like, man, what? I don't know what the fuck. Like, hey, now he reach their guns. I'm like, man, you know what I'm saying? All this old bullshit. Like, man, put your motherfucking hands down. I'm like, oh, man, I don't know what the fuck going on. Whoa. Man, y'all know what the fuck happened after that shit, boy?
You ain't check the closet before you went in that bitch?
No, I'm telling you, boy, man, fuck the closet, boy. Do you know what else happened after that shit, boy?
Man, look.
I wake the fuck up.